How to fix Reddit ban. If your Reddit account has been banned or suspended, don't panic. In this video, I will explain the different types of bans, why they happen, and most importantly, how to fix or appeal a Reddit ban step by step. So let's understand the type of ban. Number 1 is subreddit ban. You are banned from posting or commenting in one specific subreddit. This is usually done by the subreddit's moderators. Next is site-wide suspension. This means Reddit has suspended your entire account, usually for breaking site-wide rules like harassment, spam, or vote manipulation. Next is shadow ban, which is rare. Your post might not appear to others. Reddit does not notify you about this, but it's very rare today. Now, how to fix or appeal a Reddit ban? Step 1 is to read the ban message. Check your message or notifications. Reddit usually tells what rule you violated. Step 2 is to contact the moderators. Go to the subreddit and click message the mods, be respectful and ask why you were banned and if there is a way to reverse it. Next step is to appeal a site-wide suspension. Go to Reddit help. Now go to the Google app, just like this. Now simply tap Reddit help and search for it. Now simply log in from here and use the appeal form. Keep it short, respectful and honest. If you made a mistake, admit it. If you think it's a misunderstanding, explain why. Next step is to wait patiently. Reddit support usually replies within a few days. While you wait, avoid creating new accounts that can make it worse. And that's how you can fix a Reddit ban or suspension. Whether it's a small misunderstanding or a bigger issue, there is usually a way to appeal or resolve it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.